Imagine a world without your phone, your laptop, or even a simple flashlight. A world plunged into darkness the moment the sun sets. This was reality before one of the most groundbreaking inventions in history, the battery. But who do we thank for this pocket-sized power? Let's take a trip back in time. Our story begins in the late 18th century with an Italian scientist named Luigi Galvani. He was dissecting a frog when he noticed something strange. Every time his metal scalpel touched the frog's leg, which was hanging on a brass hook, it twitched. Galvani thought he had discovered animal electricity, some kind of life force flowing through the creature. He believed animals generated their own electricity. It was a fascinating idea, but it wasn't quite right. Enter another Italian scientist, Alessandro Volta. Volta was intrigued by Galvani's experiment, but he had a different theory. He suspected the electricity wasn't coming from the frog itself, but from the two different metals, the brass hook and the iron scalpel, reacting through the moist medium of the frog's leg. To prove his point, Volta decided to ditch the frog. He started experimenting with different pairs of metals. He took discs of copper and zinc and separated them with pieces of cardboard soaked in salt water. When he stacked these pairs one on top of the other, he created a continuous and stable flow of electricity. He had invented the first true battery, which he called the voltaic pile. This was a monumental leap forward. For the first time, humanity had a reliable, portable source of electrical current. Volta's invention wasn't just a curiosity. It was a revolution. It powered early experiments in chemistry, leading to the discovery of new elements. It laid the foundation for telegraphs, which connected the world like never before. And of course, it was the great-great-grandfather of the lithium-ion battery powering the device you're watching this on right now. From a twitching frog's leg to the complex batteries that fuel our modern world, the journey of this invention is truly incredible. It shows how scientific curiosity, debate, and experimentation can change everything. So next time you charge your phone, give a little nod to Galvani and especially to Volta, the pioneers who first captured lightning in a jar, or rather in a pile of metal discs. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this jolt of history, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more stories behind the science that shapes our lives. See you next time.